In this video, you will learn how to fix Duolingo animation not working. First, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Slow or intermittent internet can cause animations not to load. Update the app. Ensure you're using the latest version of Duolingo. If you're not, go to the App Store or Google Play Store or Apple Store and update the app. Then, restart the app. Close and reopen the Duolingo app to refresh it. This can solve minor glitches. Clear cache. For Android users, go to Settings, App, Duolingo, then click Clear Cache. This can help with performance issues. Check device performance. Ensure your device is running too many apps in the background. This can affect Duolingo's performance. Reinstall Duolingo. Uninstall the app and reinstall it. This can fix any corrupted files causing the animation to malfunction. Disable battery saving mode. If you're using battery saving mode, it will limit the app's performance and Duolingo will not be able to show you the animations. Check the updated system. Ensure your phone's operating system is always up to date. Ensure outdated software can interfere with apps' features. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.